and welcome to my crochet channel Knitting Kitty. Today I'm showing you two easy to make Halloween projects. The first one is for a mini witch hat. 3 years ago I've made another tutorial for witch hat, but this one is even smaller and is perfect as a complement for your amigurumi toy. The other project is really easy to make. We are going to create a mini witch broom. So let's get started. First, we are going to crochet the mini witch hat. As you can see, I've already made one in black and orange. I'm using fine weight yarn. As the black color is really difficult to see, for the tutorial I'm going to use purple color yarn. Also, we will need a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start crocheting with the purple color yarn. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into it. For the second round, crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. Pull tight the initial yarn tail to close the magic ring. Then use a darning needle to fasten off. For round 3, crochet single crochet in the first stitch, then make an increase. 1 single crochet, then make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 9 stitches. When I reach the last stitch of the round, I change to orange color yarn. For round 4, crochet a single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. While I am crocheting this round, I also try to hide the two yarn tails, orange and purple, left from the color changing. For round 5, crochet single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 12 stitches. Change to purple color yarn and crochet one round with a single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. For round 7, crochet single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 3 single crochet, then make an increase. At the end, you will have 15 stitches. For the next round, change again to orange color yarn and crochet a single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. For round 9, crochet a single crochet in the first 4 stitches, then in the next one make an increase and repeat 4 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat these steps till the end of the round until you have 18 stitches in total. For round 10, make a single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then in the next one, we have to crochet an increase. And then we have to repeat these steps. 2 single crochet, then an increase in the next stitch. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 24 stitches in total. For the next round, change to purple color yarn, then crochet a single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. For round 12, crochet single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then make an increase. Again 3 single crochet, then make an increase. At the end, you will have 30 stitches. For round 13, change to orange color yarn. Then make a single crochet in the first 4 stitches. crochet an increase in the next one and then repeat 4 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat these steps till the end of the round. For our last round, change again to purple color yarn. Then chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Crochet 2 double crochet in the first stitch, then make 1 double crochet in the next one and repeat 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat these steps till the end of the round. Finish with a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet you've made at the beginning. Use a cotton darning needle and hide the yarn tail. Now, let's create a mini witch broom. We will need a small wooden stick, a little bit of chunky yarn and a small piece of fine weight yarn. First, we are going to cut 10 even pieces of chunky yarn. Each piece is approximately 15 centimeters long. I am using purple chunky color yarn. Next step is to fold the yarn pieces in two, just in the middle. Then use a small piece of fine weight yarn in orange and make a knot just below the folded part. But don't pull too tight the yarn tails of the orange yarn. Use scissors and cut through the folded part. Then carefully insert the wooden stick just in the middle of the yarn pieces. tied the orange yarn tails and make another knot. If you want, you can wrap around the orange yarn tails a few times and then make another knot. Using scissors again, cut the yarn tails of the chunky yarn till you have the desired length and the desired form of your broom. If you want, you can use also a pet comb and brush a little bit the yarn tails of the broom. And we are ready. Our mini witch hat and our mini broom are ready. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. See you!